What do you think of that? What do you think of that, guys? Heck yeah. I'm so happy of daylight savings because it gets dark early. And we'll always have a night train. Always. Double decker! Let's go! 4 engines and a double decker. Awesome. Let's go, guys. We're back already, and it's already a train. We're back, and there's already a train. Awesome. I bet all these cargo cars are probably carrying boxes. Yeah, it's definitely carrying boxes, definitely. There's always boxes in there. There always is. It's kind of darker for y'all over there, kind of. Don't tell me it's gonna slow down and stop. I mean, at least it'll be on the second track. So if another one comes, I'll be able to wave. Fifty-three. 53. That used to be my old bus number. Top lift only. So you guys, if you don't see that tall building right there, that's right where exactly where I went to have a wedding at on October 11th, 2025. The people were Amaya and Connor. Wait, is that another train? No, just a light. That was like 2 months ago. October, November, December. Yep, it was 2 months ago. Is that another train? Kind of sounds like it. Oh wait, no, maybe it's just a conductor honking the horn at the different crossing though. Bro, please tell me there's an engine in the middle because it's super long. 53, 53, 53, 53, 53. 53, 53, 53, 53. Yeah! Yes! There is an engine in the middle. Yes! That way it'll be extra longer. Let's go. Come on, I see your light on, Come on, you gotta have somebody in there. Come on. I'm waving just in case. Look at that, the light's on. God dang. Might be an extra longer one. Dang, it might be an extra longer one on the first day back. We're literally back with the night train. Let's go listen to the night train. Let's go listen to the night train. I gotcha. You guys might think I'm a little weird, but I just need some movement because I'm standing so still. I gotta stand still in order to have it. Like, I gotta stand still in order for it to move. Like the phone moves, but like I'm standing still. Look, right there. Oh, I almost moved. Don't tell me it's gonna slow down and stop. You know what? I think it might. Oh gosh. Here, I just gotta back up a little bit, even though I'm not in my regular spot. my god. No way. There's another train coming. Yep, you heard me. There is. Here, let me see right here if it's moving or not. Is it actually? Hold on. I think it's going backwards. Yep, it's going backwards. I'm sorry, guys. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Oh my god. Dang, 12-minute video. God dang, that's awesome. Oh, and here comes the end. Yep. There. Yep. I see you. Oh, maybe it might stop already. Or not. Come here and I could see you. I see ya. You know, I could see you. I could see you in your flashing light. And there you go, 12-minute long video. Wow. 13. Nice.